100 children to do this year, the Queen Quet, coming to 101 more again from Chucktown. All 100 children are about to go down. We about to get we Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week from Charleston County. We done get them Saturday at the Gullah Geechee Family Day from the city of Charleston, the true downtown Chucktown. And now we did up the Road of Peace in North Charleston, ready for going in this year building named after late brother Lonnie Hamilton III and things like that. That way all the meeting and thing that going on, and Hunter know if Hunter did with me. Hunter going know just what is going on. You know who I be. I the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. So come on inside with me at Charleston County and let we yeti what it say. For this year week, appreciating who we be. We be Gullah Geechee.
Motion by Mr. Reiner, second by Mr. Roll. Any discussion? All in favor say aye. Aye. All opposed, ayes have it. Mr. Darby. Item A, the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Is anyone here from the nation? Mr. Darby, would you do the honors?
Hey, Gary, you first get going.
Look, yeah, I got to come in a box, forget on the whole
I
back
see you the other day, you know. You see me?
I ain't see one.
Oh, yeah.
I was glad to see one.
I heard the other day, you fall.
Come in.
No.
Some red rice on back there with that long.
Bring the red light, please. Yes, ma'am. My grandmama told me the high school money, you know. High school money.
So glad to see you.
So good to see you. Thank you, Chairman. Oh, that's my second language, Gullah.
No, that's on the first language.
First language.
Yeah, I was thinking one of the cracky TV. Now that's on the second.
A resolution of Charleston County Council proclaiming the week of July 27th, August the 4th, 2019 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Charleston County is one of the oldest counties in South Carolina, and in the 18th century, Charleston County and the South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization organized or originated in West Africa, is people coming to the United States as slaves to work on rice plantations, specifically in the coastal regions, including South Carolina, and with their African fare, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on southeastern South Carolina, and whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Charleston County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture, and whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act, created by United States Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of others, such as Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah, co-founders of International Gullah Geechee Nation Celebration and the annual Gullah Geechee Nation Music and Movement Festival. And whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions the Gullah Geechee has given to our area. Now, therefore, be it resolved that Charleston County Council does hereby proclaim the week of July 27th, August 4th, 2019 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Charleston County, and encourages its citizens to participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture. Charleston County Council, Ed Summey, Chairman, July 30th, 2019. Congratulations.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
indeed. Yes, indeed.
Well, thank you, all the council and things like that. I even know all of them until I know how to correct things like that. Okay. So I'm so glad for there one more again in Charleston and things like that. When they come the while ago to them, they said, plenty of people here tonight for this show. I'm glad. I see plenty of the Geechee family out here tonight, and I'm glad that all 100 children there with me and things. And we're so glad that last Saturday, we launched the celebration right there at Skeeter Beach.
Yes.
All right, that being Gullah Geechee Family Day. And then Sunday coming up, we're going to be at Scotch Grand at 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
So when I can go in church,
Yes.
shout,
Tip
and
of
afterward,
Is it tip of tapper?
hold on, the tip of
Huh?
tapper?
Yeah.
You got one in
Tip of tapper? No.
Because it look like they've been needing somebody for prayer.
Yes.
They going to throw them out the church. Okay, so Sunday afternoon at 3 o'clock, right here, Scotch Grand, right down the block. Y'all close by right now. For all the 100 children, what have come here, y'all ain't been here tall and things like that. I'm so happy that all of you are here and that you're here with us in Charleston, and we will commemorate the 400 years of history on Sunday. And so there'll be a special final dinner at Scott's Grand at 3 o'clock, which is right down the street from here. But we're so happy that Saturday we had about 1,000 people show up to Mosquito Beach and to celebrate the launch of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And included was Mayor Tecklenburg. And I said to him, we're going to do DNA on him because every time we say Gullah Geechee, he shows up. And some of the people look like we all show up and he did. So we're going to do DNA on him. So that was it. That was it. He come there for we food. Thank you, call him up. I done kept for him. Because he has something for down.
And I know what he means.
I know you know. You wish you been there too.
Yeah.
Okay, well, Sunday.
All
Come on.
right.
All right. So everyone who wants to know the other activities that are going on throughout the week, because they happen from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, encompasses the entire Gullah Geechee Nation. Please follow us at Gullah Geechee on Twitter and Instagram, or Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook, or GullahGeecheeNation.com is the blog. That way you know every day where we to go on and what we to do. So Politic County is very angry at George Charleston because I told them I couldn't come to their county council meeting tonight because I had to get here and I couldn't do a tour. But if y'all had tell me y'all be gonna stay in the back door back there, I could have walked out and get that one and then come up here and walk up here and get this one. You see how y'all
You back there.
Yeah, see,
I can use you back there.
y'all can use me
You
back
need help. I need the help.
I can help y'all. I will call one me anytime. Y'all know how to reach me. I just down the creek. Okay? So reach me anytime. But I hope to see many of you the rest of the week in celebration. And many of you may not be aware, but Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week started here in Charleston County. It started in the city of Charleston back in 2012. So it is not without honor that it's happening, continuing to happen here. And this is the place where it's growing the most because we done been here and we ain't going nowhere. God bless you. God bless you.
I used to speak about this a long time ago because that's what my grandmother spoke to me. She didn't have tutelage, she didn't go to school, it just wasn't happening there. And she was born in 1887.
Wow.
And died in 1867.
So she was there
She
during
spoke-
Reconstruction.
Oh, please, come on, right
Wow.
after. Please.
So we could get on her back, you know.
Oh, I wish I could.
You know, you hanging out a little bit too much with these folks.
Yeah, no, I'm happy to do it, honey.
God bless y'all, Charleston. I should say, you've gotten the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week proclamation from the county of Charleston.
How does it feel for you to be recognized, for the Gullah Geechee Nation to be recognized by Charleston County?
We bless up for yet he said the county the knowledge week. So it is truly a blessing to have Charleston County acknowledge Gullah Geechee culture since Gullah Geechees built Charleston County. But often a lot of Gullah Geechees feel like people overlook our culture, that our culture has been displaced from the city and now is being pushed even all the way out of the county into neighboring counties. And so it's a blessing to know that the county does respect us enough that they want to celebrate who we done down here.
Okay, and you just had Family Week, the weekend.
Yes.
and the tie-in with, say, Mosquito Beach?
So it's outstanding because every year we launch Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week with our Gullah Geechee Family Day. So last week we had it at historic Mosquito Beach. The blessing was that on Friday, the South Carolina Department of Archives and History deliberated on what we've been fighting for, a national registry nomination for historic Mosquito Beach. So Saturday turned out to be a celebration of that, in addition to being a celebration of Family Day. So it truly been a blessed time.
Okay, anything else you'd like to add with that?
Yes, so folks might have been there for the launch at Mosquito Beach, but it ain't over. The week going in North Charleston, because we are going to be at Scott's Grand on Sunday at 3 o'clock, celebrating 400 years of history. And so it's going to be a blessed up evening, blessed up afternoon, Hunter go in church, and then come to Scott's Grand, and yet him over who the Gullah Geechee be as we close out our week of celebration for the Gullah Geechee Nation. Hashtag we be Gullah Geechee.
Okay, now for those who want to show up on Sunday,
Yes.
how can they do that?
So those who want to attend the celebration on Sunday at Scott's Grand, they can simply call Scott's Grand and they can make a reservation or go to Facebook and you'll see the 400 years of history link right there at Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook. Click on there, reserve on a spot, or come for Namp and something and for nourishment of mind and spirit.